We will move on to the second article of today's editorial, that is the foreign hand. Right, we are going to discuss the second article now, and we will also cover the vocabulary part which is in the second article. Right, the heading of the second article is the foreign hand, some other's hand. NGOs fill in for the state, regulations should not stifle their functioning. NGOs fill in for the state, regulations should not stifle their functioning. Amendments to the FCRA drafted without consultation with stakeholders and passed with limited discussion in Parliament further clip the wings of India's battered civil society. So what is meant by battered? Means beaten, assaulted, thrashed, hit. She set up an institution for battered views. New regulations put onerous conditions on civil society organizations and educational and research institutions that have partnerships, including of a financial nature, with foreign entities. Okay, so what is meant by onerous conditions on civil society organizations? Onerous means burdensome, heavy. So what, like everyone will have something burdensome on them. Like for some they may be for the max maybe an onerous task, means a difficult task, like that. The meaning of onerous is burdensome or heavy. Passions overwhelm rationality in conversations on foreign influences, and it could well be true that a portion of such foreign assistance may be reaching the wrong hands. Passions overwhelm rationality. Overwhelm is nothing but submerge, engulf, deluge, strong, and sudden emotion. So what can we say? I was overwhelmed by your wishes on my birthday. So right, getting submerged or getting engulfed with something, that is nothing but overwhelm. In Parliament, the BJP alleged that foreign money was being used for religious conversions. In Parliament, like there will be parliaments, right? So the BJP is saying that. So what they say here is foreign money. Means foreign means getting from someone else. That money is being used for foreign religious conversions. In 2017, the government backed American Christian charity Compassion International. What is meant by compassion? Compassion is nothing but pity, sympathy, okay, empathy, or you can say understanding. I was hoping she might show a little compassion, but she did not show it, right? You're feeling that she will show me some sympathy towards me or some empathy towards me, but she's not showing. That is nothing but compassion. So, Compassion International accusing it of supporting conversions. The debate on religious propagation and conversions must be dealing. They must both be cut off. From the question of foreign funding, there are adequate laws, means sufficient laws against conversion by inducement, and the right or wrong of it cannot be decided against the touchstone of the source of funds, native or foreign. Okay, so what meant by inducement? Incitement, temptation, or encouragement. I am induced towards ice creams, means I am tempted towards ice creams. In one way you get like that, but in another way, don't think a very simple way. According to the passage, inducement is nothing but so for example, they offered him a large pay increase as an inducement for him to stay. Means it, you can say it as encouragement also, right? There will be different meanings according to the sentence which you read, but don't stick on with one meaning. And the right or wrong, or it can be decided against the touchstone of the source of hands, native or foreign. Some of the restrictions appear well meaning but could impact NGOs, besides showing up India to be over-regulated. The International Commission of Jurists has said the new law was incompatible with international, means compatible means is not able to fight. Compatible means able to fight. Incompatible means not able to do fight against them with international obligations and India's own constitutional provisions on rights. Seamless means smooth, effortless. Seamless sharing of ideas and resources across national boundaries is essential to the functioning of a global community and should not be discouraged unless there is no reason to believe the funds are being used in illegal activities. Right? Should not have a preconceived idea. It is right, you must know whether it is right or wrong, and then you must speak. So what they are saying here is, you must not say that if it is wrong, you will know any time else. So you must not do illegal activities. You must not aid to do illegal activities. They are saying here. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has often cited the ancient Indian ethos. Means what is meant by ethos? Characteristic spirit of a culture or era, or I can say atmosphere. Ethos of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam as a framework for its global engagement. The pandemic has only underscored, emphasized the importance of this approach. As a growing economy, India under Mr. Modi has been proactive. Proactive means take charge, or else you can say enterprising, bold, energetic, right? Okay, so the aversion appears to be towards select categories of global ideas and ideals. Environmentalism, human rights, and civil liberties. Organizations working in these fields have often had their patriotism being called into question. To be fair, this approach predates the current government, and it was during the UPA that UPA means United Progressive Alliance, that an official report even quantified the GDP losses allegedly caused by environmental NGOs, insinuating means an unpleasant hint, implication, or you can say inference. So next one is insinuating a foreign conspiracy against India. Such paranoia does not go well with India's legitimate ambitions to be a global player. The BJP and the Congress are well aware of the limits of the national foreign binary. In 2017, both joined hands to legislate an escape route after receiving funds from foreign entities in violation of FCRA provisions. Thousands of NGOs serve extremely disadvantaged sections, at times filling in for the state and the others supplementing it. A presumption of guilt against them all, followed by control, amounts to throwing the baby out with the bathwater. The world is poorer when new barriers are raised. So right, our second article is also completed, that is a foreign hand. Right, I hope everyone of you have understood this one, and I thank everyone of you for watching this video. Thank you very much.